Hi and hello there, Scorpio. Welcome you subscribers. My name is Yan. Returning Eastern buyers. Thank you po sa inyong walang sawang love at support for me. At kung nyo pa alam, no, meron pa po tayo other channel link down below sa ating description box. So if interested, just click that link para mapunta kayo doon at araw-araw nag-upload po tayo ng collective readings for all signs there. At yun nga natin gender dito, so babae, lalaki, LGBT, everybody welcome. Pwede rin pong iswitch yung mga roles dahil possible magkapalit-palit kasi general reading ito. And at the end of the day, everybody may free will kayo kung gusto nyo i-claim ang mga messages or not. So, yun nga, no, cross-watchers dito ni Scorpio, welcome ka rin. May Scorpio placements sa natal/birth chart, welcome din kayo. So, we're gonna take a look at your past life right in here, Scorpio. But, just take only what resonates, no? Our past lives, no? Ay may connection sa kung ano yung ating way of life ngayon, no? Sa ating lifetime period. So, let's go ahead and check this, no? Kung past life mo ito. Okay? Maaring related ito sa life mo ngayon. So, just take only what resonates. Archangel Michael, Angel, guys, thank you so much for sa palagi ang presence sa reading ni is Scorpio. Can we get messages related to their past life, please? Scorpio's past life, can you please show me informations, details, messages na dapat malaman ni Scorpio regarding their past life? Past life ni Scorpio. Alright, so let's go ahead and check these messages for you, Scorpio. So you do have here the energy of the wise old man. This is the Emperor, the Moon. We have here the Ten of Wands, Ten of Coins, Five of Swords, the Wheel. Bottom of the deck we have the King of Wands, the Two of Swords, and the Entrapment here. Okay, Scorpio, no? I do see, okay, that this is you. Okay, you are someone here who is like a Josung Sacha, no? Or Grim Reaper. So, don't get it wrong, okay? Hindi ito yung nangangalawit lang, taga-sundo, okay? Pumangit lang naman yung ibig sabihin nila no? Dahil sa mga libro or dahil sa mga pasa-pasa, no? Ng mga kwento, no? Ng mga tao or whatsoever, no? But being a Josung Saja way back before, no? This is you na napaka-importante ng role mo. You are like a warrior, you are like a savior because you're protecting yung mga hinahatid mo dito. So I do pick up that these people right in here, no, these are also the people na nakikita ko rito that with this Five of Swords energy in the well, okay? I very thankful sa'yo. Because, okay, I'm seeing right in here, no, na nagagawa mo dito yung iyo ritong purpose, yung role mo rito, no, na maitawid sila rito, no, sa afterlife, okay? I'm seeing souls right in here. You might not remember them all, but I do see them, no, remembering you because you did something for them, okay? Yeah, no, alam niyo mga babes, no, okay? Yung iba kasi tinawag lang 'tong kamatayan or whatsoever kaya parang nag-create na 'to ng hindi maganda 'no, kaya yung ibig sabihin ng iba, "Ay naku miss yan ayokong ganyan," 'no. Pero kung titingnan mo ito 'no, yeah, and I also want you to know mga babes 'no, that yung sa kamatayan hindi yun kalawit 'no, yun ay originally 'no, a sword or espada at yun ay hindi ginagamit para, "Oh, sumama ka na sa'kin." Kasi kung hindi iispadahin kita or sasaksakin kita nitong espada ko 'no, hindi gano'n 'no, hindi gano'n 'no. The Grim Reapers that you are seeing sa mga movies, sa mga series, sa mga dramas, or even by the books, it is not like that. Because, the Joseon Saja 'no, or tagasundo, no, is someone who holds this very important role, no? Alam nyo, yung paglalakbay after life ay hindi madali. Okay? Kayo yung nagtatanggol, no, at sinisigurado, no, na kung ano man yung mga pagsubok, no, along the way, okay, ay yung life ninyo yung nire-risk ninyo. Okay? Yung body ninyo yung ishinishield ninyo rito, no? So, nakikita ko dito lahat ng mga naitawid mo rito, no, ng mga soul, they are very thankful of you. Uy, Scorpio na maalala ko lang, okay, puwede niyo panoorin 'no, yung nakuha ko na reading for collective kasi it looks like, kayo ang pinaka-strong na energies doon. So, ilalagay ko yung link diyan down below 'no. Yung title, if I'm not mistaken 'no, is "Kakaiba ang past life mo." Yung parang napawaw ako dahil sa past life mo, which is wow, 'no? Nakikita natin dito 'no, na kung sino-sino man yung mga naka-resonate dito, bibiyayaan kayo rito mga bibs 'no, ng abundance here, okay? With the Emperor, you're gonna sit 'no, this wise old man right in here in the Ten of Pentacles. You're gonna sit in abundant life. You will have that kind of prosperity and abundance here 'no, in the future. I'm picking up no 2026 moving towards 2027. Your money will change. The money flow will change right in here, and definitely you will meet here the love of your life. If you're not yet meeting that person right now, you will eventually meet the love of your life, okay, by 2026 and 2027, no? And hindi nga lang meeting yung inyong love of your life ng ganun eh. Maaaring maikasal na rin kayo ng same year na na-meet niyo siya. Okay? Because whoever this energy is, this is the person here who is already waiting for you, no? Ilang decades ago na, no? With the Two of Swords energy, that is definitely your twin flame, okay? So if you wanna know more about your past life right in here, I do sense that Scorpio, strongest energies, no, ay energies mo. So you might want to watch that reading. I'm gonna put the link down below sa ating description box, no, nitong reading ninyo. Wow! So I do see that with the moon energy, this is something here no, na akala mo panaginip lang to. Lahat ng napapanaginipan mo na hindi mo kakilala, na encounter mo na pala sila, no? Kasi sila yung mga matagumpay mo rito, no, na naitawid after life. Okay? And nakita ko din dito, no, look at that, see? Okay? Tingnan mo yung nasa braso mo. Even now, you are holding that. No? That is the, uh, what's this? No? Parang yan yung kasuutan, di ba, ng isang warrior. Okay? Like a shield. So, tingnan mo yan, no? At nakikita mo ba to, no? Ito yung mga gamit ngayon, no? Sa lifetime period, sa 3D world, by bed na or whatsoever. Pero tingnan mo, you are still wearing the armor. You are still wearing that armor because you are the Chosung Sacha, no? Who protected these souls na naitawid mo. Yeah. Okay? Naitawid mo, no? Hindi sa Ilog Pasig, hindi sa Sans River, kundi naitawid mo. Madami kang natulungan rito, sweetheart, is Scorpio, no? And this souls, no, making sure na mabibigyan ka rito, no, ng abundant life, no, in the future, no. You've been waiting for this. You feel like, no, na parang yung money mo dumadaan lang sa palad mo, no, but it will no longer be that case anymore. Pag tumapak ang 2026 moving 2027, your money will change. You're gonna step into that type of abundant energy and you're gonna find your true love. Okay? At people na hindi nakabubuti for you, toxic people na nakakonect sa iyo dito, they will be gone, no? By that year. Okay? They will disconnect from you because you no longer need them, no? no? Because you will step into a new life, okay? At ito yung life, no, na bigay or handog sa'yo ng mga taong nagpapasalamat sa'yo. Wish come true, dream coming true for you, King of Wands energy. It looks like, no, na para kang si Aladdin na nag-wish sa isang genie but you're not waiting for some kind of something in return sa mga nagawa mo for these people. You're just doing your job. You love your job right in here and you feel fulfilled every time may naitatawid ka. Okay? Ganun pa rin yung tinataglay mo pa rin ngayon yan, mga babes, no? Paano miss yan? Okay? You are putting strength to those sa mga friends mo, people around you, co-workers mo na nawawalan rito ng pag-asa, no? You are helping them, no? Even though kahit walang-wala ka, especially of finances or just telling them advices that will definitely enlighten them, help them, no? Sa kanilang pinagdaraanan. You are like their guiding light. Okay? You are like that kind of light, no, sa kanila rito na mga challenges, problems na kinakaharap, no? Yung mga na sa stuck sa situation nila, you help them all out, no? So if this is you, hindi mo matanggihan, lalo na yung mga close mo dito, if they need help and you feel it talaga, you are always there for them. And this is you, mga babes, no? For some reason, you are someone na malakas ang pakiramdam, so you could be having third eye, pero akala mo yun lang yun, nakakaramdam ka lang, or yung iba sa inyo nakakita lang, no? Because you are so Jung Salja. Yung mga napapanaginipan mo na hindi mo kakilala, pero you're talking to them, okay? You're talking to them na parang you've known them or parang na-encounter mo sila. Yes, because those are the souls, okay, na naitawid mo ng successful sa kanilang pupuntahan. Yeah. I know, no? Para lang basagin na lang din natin, no, na hindi dapat katakutan yung kamatayan or whatsoever. Hindi ko alam kung sino nag-imbento niyang kamatayan word na yan and that kalawit thing, no? Yeah, lahat yan, no? Hindi yan, no? The sword is really the hawak, no, of Sojung Saja, no? Josung Saja, I mean. So I do see that this is you. You are like that kind of shining armor, a warrior for those souls, no, na makatawid ng maayos sa kanilang patutunguhan. So yeah. Okay, these are all the messages I've got right here for you, Scorpio. I'm seeing initials pala. Here we have M, Y, L, N, E, T, B as in boy, J, and letter S. So yeah, these are all the messages, Scorpio. Thank you again. I'm Yuriana Ani for the girls, Yana Duna for the boys. Sharing here, love and light. Annyeong.